Let's start with the basics. Tools. Did you ever buy one of those brush sets and wonder what brushes work best for what products? Here's a list I put together to keep it simple. First, let's go over brushes for the eyes. The flat eyeshadow brush. This brush is great for applying color to the lid. It is dense, so it picks up pigment and lays it down without spreading it out too far. The eyeshadow blending brush. The blending brush is small and fluffy. It is made to fit into the crease space. This brush is great for softly blending out a smoky eye. The angled liner brush. This small, flat, angled brush is great for eyeliner. You can use it to apply cream or powder along the upper and lower lash line. And that's it for eyes. Let's move on to face brushes. Always remember to use synthetic brushes for cream or liquids. Fluffy brushes will not blend foundation and concealer properly. The concealer brush. This brush is small, dense, and synthetic. It is made to fit into the under eye space and is great for applying concealer to spot correct blemishes. The foundation brush. There are many types of foundation brushes, however, the most common and easiest to use is flat, dense, and also synthetic. The blush brush. When applying blush, you want to achieve specific placement, so it is important to select a brush that is fluffy but not too big. The powder brush. This brush is used for loose or pressed powder, including foundation, bronzer, and setting powders. And if all that just sounds like way too much, you can always use sponges. Fingers are okay, however, you will work harder to achieve a flawless blend out.